Well, as you can see, this time we're now moving on to aeroplanes this time anyway. Which, as you can see, this time we've just now seen a pilot PA-28-180 Cherokee B that we've just seen this time anyway. But now this time we're now moving on to aeroplanes, you know. So the first aeroplane we've now seen was the pilot PA-28-180 that we've just now seen this time anyway. Which, as you can see, with the registration G-ASEJ, that is. Which, as you can see, just from here, he flew in here just to about 2,000 feet that day anyway. And just you can see, just from here, as you can see, I think that took off from, I believe, RAS St Marion, I think, anyway. That took off from St Marion airfield anyway. Which I think that's where it took off from this morning anyway, just down from RAS St Marion this morning anyway. So that just took off from St Marion airfield this morning anyway, or whether that would have took off from Pamporth airfield this morning anyway. So yeah, not unless that would have took off from Pamporth airfield this morning anyway. So yeah, but hopefully that should be going back to its base at Pamporth airfield very soon anyway, which I believe that came from Pamporth airfield this morning anyway, I think, but I'm not too sure anyway. But anyway, it looks like I've got another plane coming anyway. I think there's another aircraft coming anyway, which the second one we'll get to film in a minute anyway, which that's probably also coming over. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.